Hello, in front of me I've got LG Ultra Gear speaker. In this video I'll show you the speaker preview. At the beginning, take a look at the left side of the speaker. Right here we've got the power button, connection mode, and headphones mode. Thanks to connection mode you can select between USB, optical and Bluetooth. By pressing this button you can select speakers via aux jack. Here you can change the volume of the speaker and activates clear voice chat function. Here you can change mode of the speaker between FPS, RTS, and you can enter equalizer and select preset. Let's take a look at the back of the speaker. Right here we've got the aux jack, and here we've got aux out for additional speakers, reset hole, optical outlet, USB port to connect it to PC, and power port. On the bottom of your speaker you can find model number, voltage, and some cautions. And that's basically it. In the end, right here, you've got the serial number of your speaker. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.